Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, you guys know about flat earthers, right? Those people who believe the earth is flat. If you haven't been living on a rock, you surely know about them. So, they're just people who believe the earth is flat. But what if the concept of the flat earth was real? I will make two parts of this video. This is the first part. This part is based on science and things that would actually make sense. But the next one will be based on how the flat earthers describe it. But they still have very big loopholes they yet have to fix. But still, in this video, we're just gonna cover what actually would happen. So, let's get into it. So, what would a flat earth like? Before we start, let's get one thing straight. The earth is not exactly round. It is an oblate spheroid, which is kind of an uneven sphere as it is flatter near the poles. So, first of all, gravity will pull us, but not downwards, towards the center. Gravitational pull is always towards the center of the Earth's sphere. That's why that we are going downwards. Although in flat Earth, we are being pulled towards the center, or towards oceans and seas would come in the center of it, and trees would grow that way too. This will cause chaos because it will be harder to get closer to the edge, and you got to be really strong to get to the edge. And gravity would really work. The earth would just turn into a sphere after a point in time. If gravity did exist, we'll get to see something weird, which is horizontal rain, but that's only for a while because, as I said, the earth would just turn into a sphere. And if gravity didn't exist, no GPS, no traveling, no satellites, no atmosphere. So, and if GPS won't work, we'll all get lost. And some journeys would take forever. Longer travel times can be expected, not just due to no GPS navigation issues, but also because of the distances we need to travel. According to flat earth belief, the Arctic lies in the center of the planet. Antarctica forms a giant ice wall around the edge. So, this wall conveniently stops people from falling off the face of Earth. If you are unable to fly around the globe and instead are forced to fly across it, and then travel times would increase significantly. For example, to fly from Australia, which is one side of the flat Earth map, to McMurdo Station in Antarctica, on the other side of the flat Earth map, you would need to fly across the entire Arctic as well as North and South America. You can also forget about trips across Antarctica. Though this has been achieved many times on a spherical Earth, as a pesky ice wall would prevent such travel. There would be no more auroras and we'll be all toast. On spherical Earth, the swirling molten metal surrounding our iron core generates electric currents that create our protective magnetic field, which protects us from the sun. But on flat Earth, the magnetic sphere would cease to exist, and so would auroras, also called northern lights. These sky shows form when charged particles from the sun bump into oxygen and nitrogen molecules. But we'll be toast because of the harmful solar radiation we'll have to face. We all have to share the same night sky. Believe it or not, everywhere you go, there's a different night sky because you are looking from different angles of space. So hurricanes would be a thing of the past. Every year, hurricanes, also called cyclones, will cause usually unprecedented damage. In 2017, Hurricane Harvey alone caused $125 billion worth of damage. The devastating rotating nature of these storms stems from the Earth's Coriolis effect, which causes storms in northern hemisphere to rotate counterclockwise and those in southern hemisphere to rotate clockwise. However, on a stationary flat Earth, no Coriolis effect. would be generated. No Coriolis means no hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones. That is also why we don't see these types of storms between 5 degrees north and south of the equator, as the magnitude of Coriolis effect is zero at the equator, according to NASA. Now, flat earthers would say that our Earth is not like that. That's not how we describe it. We describe it in a different way. Yes, I will make a different part of video about that, because that still has many fatal flaws which certainly prove that the earth is actually round and not flat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Part 2 will be coming out soon, and bye.